you all, welcome friends in my channel Innovation World. Today in this video I am going to show you a book unboxing. That book's name is Believe in Yourself, written by Joseph Murphy. Actually, this book is really a very good book, and it's the parcel of it. I ordered it approx 7 days or 10 days ago, and it came today. So now I'm here showing you the unboxing of this book. This book is really very good book. At first, let me unbox it. Thereafter, I'm telling you something about this. Friends, now I am going to unbox this book. So let me unbox now. Actually, it's called unwrap. So now I am unwrapping it. So friends, I'm unboxing this. Actually, this is the private book. Before some day plastic was unwelcome, but now see, plastic is always welcome. Oh, sorry. See this book interface. So this is the wrapper. I am keeping it outside. So friends, it is the book. You can see Believe in Yourself, written by Joseph Murphy. So friends, now I am telling about this book, Believe in Yourself. Actually, this book provides you the knowledge of subconscious mind, and spiritually this book is a great book. And this book has in interface you can see Believe in Yourself, and the another page is written Dr. Joseph Murphy, and thereafter they have written the publication dates and the ISBN code. Thereafter, here is written, this book teaches you how to transform your life through the art of believing. Each chapter is full of powerful practical psychology showing you why man is belief expressed. So in this way, thereafter you can see the contents. It's a main thing. First is make your dream come true using the subconscious mind in business. How to imagine success. Only 3 chapters, and there have publishers preface, make your dreams come true. So in this way this book is written, and this book contain only 80 pages. Only 80 pages this book contain. So now this book I have to read, and thereafter I will make a friends. As you all see that this book is full review, and hope this book is very good. I hope, because still I did not read this book. So after reading I will must inform you that what is written in this book, and I will have a video about that. So please, and if you like this video, so please support our channel, stay with us for getting innovative videos. So bye bye friends, take care.